Hey guys, exciting news today. I got the trafficators working. So for my friends that make fun of my trafficators on my car, I got them working. Okay, so let's take a look. Gotta turn the car on here. I also got the heater working, which we just tested tonight, and it was pretty awesome. So I'm gonna do a right turn signal trafficator. And out here, it's pretty cool. That's never worked on this car as long as I've owned it, so that's pretty cool. That's a trafficator. And then we're gonna double check the left side. We're gonna go to a left turn Clyde. The right turn is off. Left turn is going. And the trafficator is working. That is pretty cool. So, 1948 Rolls Royce trafficator's working now. Pretty cool.